In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an unsupported file type in Google Drive. If you've ever tried opening a file in Google Drive, only to be met with an error message saying the file type is not supported, you're not alone. This can be a common issue, but luckily, it's one with some fairly straightforward solutions. First things first, let's navigate to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Drive homepage. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once there, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface that houses your files. Next, we need to locate the file causing the trouble. Click on My Drive on the left-hand panel. This area showcases all the files stored in your Google Drive. Scroll through and find the specific file you're having issues with. Click on it once to select it. It's important to ensure it's highlighted so we can move on to the next step. Once you've selected the file, right-click on it. You'll see a list of options pop up. Now, from this drop-down menu, select Open With. This is where you'll find the key to resolving our dilemma. A list of applications that are compatible with Google Drive will appear. What you're looking to do is find an application that can handle the file type you're trying to open. If the file is a document, you might see options like Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Choose the application that fits. In case you're dealing with a video file and it's being a bit finicky, selecting a different video player might be the solution. For instance, you could try using something like VLC Media Player if Google Drive's built-in player isn't doing the trick. Now, if you don't see an app that can open your file, or you're not satisfied with the available options, don't worry. Before you give up, take a look at the bottom of that applications list where you'll find Connect More Apps. Clicking here will allow you to browse and connect other third-party applications that might offer a viable solution. Google Drive offers a wide variety of apps, so chances are you'll find what you need. Finally, remember that you also have the option to open files with software installed on your own computer. Download the file to your computer and open it with an app that you know supports the file type. This is often the surest way to get your file opened and functioning if the online options don't pan out. And that's it. With these options, you'll be well equipped to tackle unsupported file types in Google Drive. Give these steps a try and get back to accessing your files effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.